y'all, it's Ratoya. That's like Latoya, but with an R instead of an L. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. If it is your first time here, go ahead, take a second, click that subscribe button, and everybody make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section. Okay, so this video was promised to y'all. If you watched my luxury wig unboxing, then you already know what this is. If not, go check it out real quick. But today I'm gonna show y'all how to refresh your curly unit. Now, this wig and I have been living our best lives. Like, I went to the pool, I've been outdoors, like hiking. So sis has lived her best life, okay? And yeah, this is what she's looking like. So in my last video on this wig, I told y'all to make sure that you purchased the curl enhancing kit on the site, because you're gonna need it and you're gonna want it. It's gonna make your life 12 times easier. So today I'm gonna show y'all how to use it. Okay, so just to refresh your memory, in case you have amnesia and cannot remember, the curl enhancing kit comes with this almond and avocado curl enhancing mousse from Design Essentials. You also get this cute little water bottle that I've already filled with water, and you get this cute freaking brush. Look at this. I just feel so cute and girly with this brush. Rapunzel, let down your hair. That's me. That's me. Okay, so I'm gonna do one side at a time, and basically I'm just going to get it wet. See, some of y'all just do this part, put a little water on it, and think y'all good to go. We're gonna be better than that. Yes, we are. So now that it's wet, I'm gonna get the curl enhancing mousse and apply it. But it is already starting to come back to life. Now I got like a handful of it, and just gonna put this all over. Then we get our handy dandy brush and just brush through. See how it's clumping the curls together? Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. Both sides are done. And just look at this. Gorgeous. Okay, so now that the process is done, what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna let it air dry, because I don't have any plans to leave the house today. I'm just gonna let it air dry, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's completely dry. I'll be back. Leave a comment, let me know what y'all think. make sure you go and order. This unit is called the Shelby unit. I'll leave a link to the website in the description box. Don't forget that you can use my code RATOYA to get money off at checkout. Now I feel like I should go outside. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna end it here. Make sure you are subscribed. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section. Until next time, bye y'all.